In this video, we are going to see how we can enter most useful day-to-day transactions in QuickBooks. So let's get started. Now that our opening trial balance is matched, we will start off with our day-to-day transactions, and the transaction number 1 is, as of 1st of January 2024, accrued expenses paid by cash. So what is accrued expenses? This is the liability from the last month. So how can I see that liability? I can move to my first sheet, and here I can see accrued expenses was payable, and now we are clearing this. So I'll debit accrued expenses, means liability is being reduced, and against that we will pay cash. So I'll go to company and click on make journal entries, and from here, as of 1st of January 2024, I'll put accrued expenses here 200,000, and we can put a memo, copy and paste from here, and credit cash. We are paying it by cash. That's it. Save and close. Now next transaction is purchase order placed of cloth B to Star Textiles. We have ordered to our supplier. Quantity is 40,000. Rate is 150. This makes the total to 6 million. So let's enter this. I'll go to purchase orders, and from here I'll select Star Textiles. You can also set the location if you want this supplier to deliver to a specific address which is separate from your office. So you can specify it here. So order number is 124 and it's of 2nd January. So let's put 2nd of January 2024, and order number is 124. Vendor name, you can paste the vendor name here as well. And now let's start entering the order. Item is, we have placed the order of cloth B. We need cloth B. So cloth B. Quantity we need is 40,000, rate is 150. Quantity is 40,000, rate is 150, is equal to 6 million. Save and close. So next transaction is of 3rd January, and we have received cloth B the very next day from Star Textiles against order number 124. That is perfect, but we haven't received full quantity yet. We have received only 25,000 out of this order. So we will partially convert the purchase order to purchase invoice. That's what we are going to learn now. So the method to convert purchase order to purchase invoice is super simple. As if you don't remember anything, just go to enter bills, and let's write Star Textiles here. It will automatically recommend you that open POs exist. Do you want to convert it? Yes. So I'll choose this, click OK, but it has converted the complete PO. So what I'll do is I'll manually change this quantity. Rate is 150. This makes the total to 3750000. Okay, the quantity is 25,000 here. So let's put 25,000, and rate is 150. This makes the total to 3750000. And the reference number, we don't have any purchase invoice number here. So what we'll do is we will put any reference for now. So let's say 1001. Let's click on save and new. And if you want to go to reports, I'll go back, click on reports, and click on transaction journal report. So this will show you the journal entry, which is inventory debit when we purchase the asset and we have received the items. Just remember that purchase order do not have any impact. So when we convert that purchase order to purchase invoice, only then it will affect the accounts. So at this point, inventory is debit, accounts payable is credit. This is our entry. So let's close this. So these 3 transactions are done. From the next video, we will continue with our further transactions. So just complete all of these tasks until this point, and I'll see you in the next one.